Area, I throw a salute. Another welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk how you see how Chelsea won and Manchester United won. And we get Stashi, we be like, you know, get Chelsea fan. Make on tell us about how you see this game. Stashi, normally you they predict 2-1 win for Chelsea. But it not gonna go the way you predict them. How you see Chelsea performance for inside this match?
In fact, the truth I say, I'm not very happy with the performance today. But if you observe, poor performance from both teams. Because Man U, they play rubbish, come from this side. Chelsea, they play rubbish, come from this side. So, match like that, now so it always be. Normally, I don't observe the match, say one person go score, the match go call end. But as Chelsea score, would already celebrate, say, okay, the match just finished.
I don't carry 3 points.
You understand? Chelsea would really say, okay, the match just finished, everybody want go as. You know, one tick happen to one tick as very record not ball, not ball enter goal. You understand? But poor performance from both sides. Not be the way we expect the match to go. Not the match called go, you get. But now football, anything can happen, you understand? You not be predict match finish, you get. So as it happen, so we go take her like that.
So, but wait till you get to take those Man U fans, we don't they wait you normally because some people they say that they wait you after the match. What will be your message to them?
Wait I go tell Man U. Now say, may they wait for us when they come meet there.
It's all like
When they come back for them, may they relax. May they shop the left, may they wait for us when they come back because that's my prediction. So if like say they go double her, when they come back, they come play there. So may they wait, may they relax, may they drink Coke and Coke Pepsi, wait for us when they come. They can't get it done.
so. But make I ask you now, Stashi, what do you want to see differently from Chelsea for the next round of games now? Because you said this performance now another poor one. This one disappoints you. Not what you expect you want to see. But what do you want to see when you want make Chelsea change for the next Premier League match? Also, maybe the next going forward, the next Champions League matches.
First and foremost, the selection from the coach. I don't really know how the coach should make his selections. I never this Graham Potter. I never still understand the selection because how you go put Cucurella for match make up play CB. Cucurella will be left back, and Chiwe they match where they play left back. You see carry Cucurella go play. In fact, when I first see the lineup before the match start, I felt weak. I don't say problem go there for the match because Cucurella not be center back. Now when we say worse come to worse, now that they use Cucurella till they play CB. Normally Cucurella na left back. So I feel say the coach, I don't talk about before, the coach needs to still observe the team. Watch these boys. Now you they train the boys for training. Watch them, watch their game. No people want to use. You dey see say Sterling not they deliver. I don't know why they put Sterling for match. Sterling is straight. How many matches now he never get goal? Assist self he never get. So I don't know why Sterling go they see match. You understand? Then they feel whether Sterling and Aubameyang saying they feel they work together. That front line, the creativity zero. And our midfield, another problem too. Jorginho zero. Loftus-Cheek go they dribble anyhow for midfield. I don't kind of dangerous dribble if you say as you just lose guard small, they don't carry ball counter attack. You know those kind of things. You're not supposed to happen for the match. They get and we get players, young boys. As I said before, say young boys they did the bench. Where we say they didn't got to play the ball. Put these young boys for the match, may they play. You understand? Put them for match, may they play, may they deliver. See how they chuku maker. When they enter match, they still can't go to say the whole ball. They get. So for me, I feel say the coach need to observe the team. These boys, put them for match. You understand? Put them, may they perform, may they impress you because definitely they are ready to impress you. You get so put them for match, make the right choice for the team. Try to get the first 11 because that's what to me the coach never gets first 11. Okay, see Christian Pulisic now. Christian Pulisic dey form. You go to bench Christian Pulisic, they put Raheem Sterling where they say you don't understand. And before the coach go make changes, you don't see the same problem there in match. Before you go make changes, you go wait to make it. Don't they want 80 minutes? People when they play put for match now 10 minutes they won't come play test change match. I've been at 10 minutes they want to score goal. You don't get. So the coach needs to correct all those mistakes. Make the right choice of players for the match and he changes. May still they try, they make the changes on time. You understand? Once match they shake, make your changes so that change go do the match. So now I get to talk with that.
So the last question I want to ask you now, you talk this performance, not be what you expect to see. Yeah. But which Chelsea player you feel sorry for? Say, okay, might just give this guy a try. Now he try pass for the team where the rest people play. Or say all these rest players they not try. Which Chelsea player if you say stand out for you, you feel give your man of the match?
Once again, Arrizabalaga, Kepa. another top-notch performance from Kepa. Kepa did better form, you understand? If you observe, say the goal when this guy score, what's his name? Casemiro score. He touched the ball. If not, they say he confront where that boy for save the ball. You understand? But now so the match won't end. Now why that boy enter goal? So we're not going to fit talking about that. But for today, man of the match, now Chalobah go give. The reason why I go give Chalobah because for the back line, for the front, Chelsea not plenty for front. Total rubbish for the full front. But for the back line now, so you see saying that the defenders now, so now call the hold the game. And person where we say I see where we say he put better voltage on the back at Chalobah. Now Chalobah now go give man of the match for today match.
All right, Nastashi, thank you for your time. Your face show.